Subscribe to my YouTube channel Lovely Mohua and hit the bell icon to see my latest videos first.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. So in today's video I'm going to give you few fitness tips which everyone can follow. Like we can include those things into our daily routine and slowly it can also become a part of our life. So if you are interested to know about it, then keep on watching. So first thing, when you are doing all your house chores, you can also do exercise. What you have to do, if you are cooking, you're just standing and you're cooking, right? So while you're cooking, you can also do sit-up, squats and wall push-up. It also helps you to get in shape and also burns lots and lots of calorie. So if you don't want to waste any more time, then start exercising while you're cooking. Doing house chores is the best work you can do. A lot of people don't have time to go to the gym. A lot of people have many works to take care of, so they might not have the time to go to the gym. So I can suggest you, if you are doing your house chores by yourself, do your 100%. So if you do house chores, you can also lose a lot of weight and you will be happier. You are cleaning your house, at the same time you are getting into shape. So that's the best thing you can do. 2-in-1. It feels like a work which has 2-in-1 effect. Another thing you can do, you can walk. Like walking can make a huge difference if you are doing it for every single day. It will give you a huge difference, guys. Like first start walking and walk for 1 week for like 20 to 30 minutes, and then from the next week start jogging. And while jogging, what you have to do, you have to jog for 1 minute and you have to walk for 2 minutes to take a little bit of rest to keep your breath into a normal level. You have to walk for 2 minutes, then again jog for 1 minute, and once you are fit into that zone, you can go for run. Same thing you have to do, you have to run for 1 minute and then you have to walk for 2 minutes. But if you are in an advanced level, what you have to do, when you are jogging, you should jog for 2-3 minutes and you can cool down yourself for 1 to 2 minutes. And if you are advanced in running, then you should run for 2 minutes and take rest for 1 minute. You can also do HIIT, which is HIIT workout. What you have to do, what it means that you are doing exercise for 20 to 30 minutes, but you are getting result of 1 hour. Like whatever hard work we do for 1 hour, you're getting all that advantage within 20 to 30 minutes. Now it sounds like, wow, why not? Then let's just skip 1 hour gym and go for this HIIT workout. Stay, guys, it's not that easy. Like it will increase your pulse like hell. A lot of people might not tolerate that, so don't go for HIIT workout. Like if you are a beginner, start with small things, right? Because if you at first you started doing HIIT workout, you will give up for sure. So you don't want it to be happen. Even if you are doing exercise for like 10 minutes, you want to continue it for every day, right? So you should keep it in your mind. If you are in office and you don't get time to work out and you have to sit and work for all the day, you can take 2 kgs of dumbbell along with you. Like it doesn't take a lot of space, so don't worry. You should take 2 kgs of dumbbell with you. And if you get little bit of time just to take rest, what you have to do, you have to take the weights and start doing like hand workouts, like bicep, tricep workouts. It will also help you a lot. A lot of people do not believe in diet. You don't have to believe in diet. Diet is a word which makes you feel like, oh my god, I have to eat this much of food, I have to eat this much of this, I cannot eat that, I cannot eat this. It's not like that, guys. Like diet is something, guys, which means eat healthy but eat frequently, plus eat smaller amount. That what means diet. Like yeah, there are a lot of diet which says like, which are like very restricted diet, very like low calorie diet. I'm not talking about this diet. This shouldn't be called diet. This is something which we torture. So I won't say this are not a healthy diet. Like if such diets exist, then there is also called healthy diet. So you have to do a healthy diet, not restricted diet, not like low calorie diet. Do a healthy diet. And for that, what you have to do, you have to follow 3 steps. 1, you have to eat healthy, like good food, like apple, like good food like spinach and good vegetables, stews, and good diet food. Number 2 will be, you have to eat in a smaller portion. Don't eat this much, just eat this much at a time, don't eat a lot. Number 3 will be, eat frequently. If you have ate your lunch right now this much, then you should eat 2 biscuits or 2 almonds or some healthy food after 2 hours. You should keep eating. You should not skip eating. You should keep eating, but within a shortest period of time you have to eat something. What it does, it kick your metabolism, which help us to lose weight. A lot of people don't even have to go to gym, but still they are stick thin. There are 2 people who stick thin even after eating a lot of junk and stuff. One, they are sick, like they are not well inside, like they are ill and they are not good inside. Number 2 will be those people whose metabolism are very high. Like if I have high metabolism, I don't even have to eat, even I don't even have to exercise. Even if you have higher metabolism, you will lose weight while sleeping. But everyone is not lucky, obviously, and there are a lot of people who are not lucky about this case. So yeah, that you have to do. Next thing will be, if you are doing exercise, do it at least for 4 days a week. 4 days is a must. Like if you're maintaining your weight, then you can do for 3 days a week. It's still fine, like you are maintaining it, right? But if you have to lose weight, at least you have to do 4 days a week. If you do it 6 days, then voila, you're going very good. Like you can say, I'll do it for 7 days. No, don't do it for 7 days. Do it for 6 days if you want to do, and keep another extra day to rest your body, because your body also need rest. So don't just do exercise every single day. Like don't do the whole week, do 6 days and keep that extra 1 day for rest. Another thing, if you are doing exercise, don't do the same exercise for 2-3 months. Like don't do the same kind of exercise for 2-3 months. Change it. If you won't change it, you will stop losing weight, because all that exercise you are doing are getting used to your body. So if you won't change it within time, it will slow down the process of your weight loss. So you don't want it to be happen. All you have to do is, you have to keep changing your exercise every single month. That is very important. So if you are doing exercises and you want to lose your tummy, and you feel like, I'm only going to do tummy exercise, no, you have to burn, or you have to lose all over body fat percentage to get that beautiful tummy. That is right. You shouldn't only do the tummy exercise. You have to do hand, leg, back, chest, tummy, everything. Then only you'll get that slimmer tummy as well as slimmer body. So don't think that just I have to I just have to lose stomach fat, so for that I'm going to only do stomach exercise. It will not help you at all. Next thing, that a lot of people, when do exercise, they get bored. So what you have to do, you should focus on your hand one day, and the next day you should focus on your legs, and the next day you should focus on your tummy, and the next day you should focus on your back. That's how you should do your workout. Not like every day you are doing the same workout on, like if you are doing hand workout and you're doing it for every day, it won't work. You have to focus on a specific area for that day. So if you are doing hand exercise this day, you should do leg exercise tomorrow. That's how you should keep going. This is how you will keep on shape, and you are focusing on that specific area of your body, and you will get slimmer, and that's how you will be in a good shape. Drink a lot of water. It is very important to drink a lot of water, so don't forget it. I I told you to, I already said that I drink 3 to 4 liters of water, but it doesn't mean that you also have to drink 3 to 4 liters of water. You can choose. You can drink 3 liters of water or 2 liters of water, but it would be really good that you at least drink 3 liters of water. I sometimes, you know, drink 4 or 5 liters of water. 4 is a must for me, but I really suggest you guys that if you are not capable of drinking 4 to 5 liters of water a day, because I can understand that a lot of people have to go out and they, you know, don't want to be in you know, roadside public toilet, so I can understand that. But if like still you have to drink 3 liters of water every single day. Don't check your weight every day. You will get frustrated. I do that sometimes and I get frustrated, definitely, but it also, you know, it has a good side, it has a bad side. The good side is you are getting update that yes, you are losing weight, and you will get motivation. And the same thing will happen if you won't lose weight. You will be, you know, demotivated, and that is also the down part of you know, checking weight every day. So you should not check your, you know, weight every single day. Nobody will stop you to lose weight if you are doing hard work. So that's all I want to say. I hope these tips are helpful, and if you do it gradually, it will become a part of your like daily routine. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what you have to do. You have to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it, and I shall see you pretty soon. Mwah. Bye.